Hello and welcome to Simply Natural. Welcome to my garden. Today I have a very special banana to show you. Now this banana is special because it is red. Okay, it's red unlike the regular bananas. Yeah, it's got more beta-carotene in it than the regular bananas. That's what gives it the red color. It affects both the outside and the inside. The inside is not red. It's not ripe now, so I'm not going to peel it now. When it is ripe, we're going to make a video and I'll show you what it looks like in the inside. But it certainly has more beta-carotene. And it's a very special banana. This is a novelty. You don't see this every day. Okay. I have this in my garden and I plan to propagate it, plant more of it, because it looks nice and it's got a little bit more nutrients in it. I've cut the stem up. Even inside the stem you can see the redness. It's not only the fruit that is red, but it's inside. You can see how red it is. You can see it here. It's a very special plant. Well, I hope you liked this video about my red banana. If you did, then like it. Give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you again. Bye for now.